हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्वीटी ब्लॉग्स। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज के वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ दुबई। यस, इससे पहले कि मैं अपना ये इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो ऑन दुबई स्टार्ट करूं, आप सब लोग जो मेरे इस वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं उन सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है दैट प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए एंड बेल आइकॉन भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आगे के वीडियोस के कोई भी अपडेट्स आपसे मिस ना हो। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन आज का वीडियो। Origin and history. Well guys, आप सब में से ऐसे कई लोग होंगे जिनको दुबई सिटी काफ़ी फैसिनेटिंग लगता होगा, है ना? बट जिन लोगों को ये नहीं पता that how Dubai became one of the most expensive and luxurious cities in the world, वो इस वीडियो के थ्रू डिटेल में जान पाएंगे that ये ब्यूटीफुल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आखिर हुआ कैसे। वेल गाइस, अगर दुबई की बात की जाए तो ये पॉपुलेशन वाइज यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स का सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड सिटी है। It's also the capital of Emirate of Dubai. It's the most populated of the 7 Emirates of the United Arab Emirates. Dubai was founded by Ubaid bin Said and Maktoum bin Butti Al Maktoum. 18th century में दुबई establish हुआ था and तब ये एक छोटा सा fishing village हुआ करता था. The city developed rapidly in the early 21st century with a focus on tourism and luxury. वर्ल्ड के सबसे ज़्यादा 5 स्टार होटल्स होने के रैंकिंग में दुबई सेकंड पोजीशन में आता है। बुर्ज खलीफा जो इस दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा टॉल बिल्डिंग है जिसकी हाइट है अबाउट 828 मीटर्स, वो इमारत भी दुबई में मौजूद है। इट्स ऑल्सो अ मेजर ग्लोबल ट्रांसपोर्ट हब। ट्रेड। ऑयल रेवेन्यू की वजह से दुबई एज अ सिटी इतना ज़्यादा डेवलप हो पाया। दुबई की इकोनॉमी जनरेट होती है ट्रेड, टूरिज्म, एविएशन, रियल एस्टेट एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज से। दुबई की पॉपुलेशन है अबाउट 3.49 मिलियन की। जस्ट इमेजिन, इट्स इनसेन। दुबई वर्ड के ओरिजिन के पीछे बहुत सारी थ्योरीज हैं। एक थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग द वर्ड यूज्ड टू बी द सौक इन बा, एन अरेबिक प्रोवर्ब सेइंग दाबा दुबई, मीनिंग दे केम विद अ लॉट ऑफ मनी। According to Fadel Handal, a scholar on the UAE's history and culture, the word Dubai may have come from the word daba, a past tense derivative of yadu, which means to creep, जो रेफर करता है the slow flow of Dubai Creek inland. दुबई की अगर ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट हिस्ट्री की तरफ गौर किया जाए तो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रिच एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स and points to extensive trading links between the civilizations of the Indus Valley and Mesopotamia. Archaeological finds in the Emirate of Dubai, particularly at Al Ashush, Al Shafaf and the notably rich trove from Saruq al Hadid, show settlement through the Ubaid and Hafid periods, the al Nar and Wadi Suk periods and the 3 Iron Ages in the UAE. The area was known to the Sumerians as Magan and was source for metallic goods, notably copper and bronze. 5000 years पहले ये एरिया सैंड से कवर था। प्री इस्लामिक सिरेमिक्स भी फाउंड किए गए फ्रॉम द 3rd and 4th century. इस्लाम के इंट्रोडक्शन के पहले इन दिस एरिया द पीपल इन दिस रीजन वर्शिप बजीर और बजर. आफ्टर द स्प्रेड ऑफ इस्लाम इन द रीजन, the Umayyad Caliph of the Eastern Islamic world invaded Southeast Arabia and drove out the Sassanians. Excavations by the Dubai Museum in the region of Al Jumeirah found several artifacts from the Umayyad period. 1930 में दुबई pearl exports के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा famous था. The pearl trade was damaged irreparably by the 1929 Great Depression and the innovation of cultured pearls. With the collapse of the pearling industry, Dubai fell into a deep depression and many residents lived in poverty or migrated to other parts of the Persian Gulf. Year 1937 में एक oil exploration contract sign हुआ which guaranteed royalty rights for the Dubai and concessionary payments of Sheikh Saeed bin Maktoum. After years of exploration following large finds in neighboring Abu Dhabi, oil was eventually discovered in territorial waters of Dubai in 1966. The first field was named Fateh or Good Fortune. This led to an acceleration of Sheikh Rashid's infrastructure development plans and a construction boom that brought a massive influx of foreign workers, mainly Asians and Middle Easterners. Between 1968 and 1975, the city's population grew by over 300%. Culture. UAE का कल्चर ट्रेडिशनल अरब कल्चर के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है। दुबई के म्यूजिक, आर्किटेक्चर, अटायर, क्यूजीन एंड लाइफस्टाइल में अरबिक एंड इस्लामिक कल्चर का इन्फ्लुएंस प्रीडोमिनेंट है। 5 times every day, Muslims are called to prayer from the minarets of mosques that are scattered around the country. From 2006 to 2022, the weekend had been Friday and Saturday as a compromise between Friday's holiness to Muslims and the Western weekend of Saturday and Sunday prior to 2006. The weekend was Thursday, Friday. On the 1st January 2022, Dubai moved to a 4.5-day working week with the weekend comprising Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday. Because of the touristic approach of many Dubaites in the entrepreneurial sector and the high standard of living, Dubai's culture has gradually evolved towards one of luxury, opulence and lavishness with a high regard for leisure-related extravagance. यहाँ काफ़ी सारे एनुअल एंटरटेनमेंट इवेंट्स भी किए जाते हैं लाइक दुबई शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल एंड दुबई समर सरप्राइजेस। इन इवेंट्स की वजह से ऑलमोस्ट ओवर 4 मिलियन विजिटर्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द रीजन अट्रैक्ट होते हैं एंड दस जनरेट रेवेन्यूज इन एक्सेस ऑफ $2.7 billion. The city's cultural imprint as a small ethnically homogeneous Perling community was changed with the arrival of other ethnic groups and nationals, first by the Iranians in the early 1900s and later by Indians and Pakistanis in the 1960s. In 2005, 84% of the population of metropolitan Dubai was foreign born. About half of them are from India. Major holidays in Dubai include Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of Ramadan, and National Day, which is on 2nd December, which marks the formation of the United Arab Emirates. The International Festivals and Events Association, the world's leading events trade association, has crowned Dubai as IFIA World Festival and Event City 2012 in the cities category with a population of more than 1 million. Large shopping malls in the city such as Daira City Centre, Midrib City Centre, Burjuman Mall of the Emirates, Dubai Mall, Dubai Marina Mall and Ibn Battuta Mall, as well as traditional Dubai Gold Sock and other socks attract shoppers from the region. Now let's talk about cuisine. वैसे अगर खाने की बात की जाए then दुबई में Arabic cuisine काफ़ी ज़्यादा famous है and is available everywhere in the city, from the small shawarma dinners in Daira and Al Karama to the restaurants in Dubai's hotels. Fast food, South Asian and Chinese cuisine भी यहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा famous है. The sale of alcoholic beverages is regulated. A liquor permit is required to purchase alcohol. However, alcohol is available in bars and restaurants within hotels. Shisha and Kahwa boutique are also popular in Dubai. Biryani is also a popular cuisine across Dubai, with being the most popular among Indians and Pakistanis present in Dubai. Now let's talk about the attire. The Emirati attire is typical of several countries in the Arabian Peninsula. Women usually wear the abaya, a long black robe with a hijab, the headscarf which covers the neck and the part of the head, all of the hair and ears. Some women may add a niqab which covers the mouth and nose and only leaves the eyes exposed. Men wear the kandura, also referred to as dishtasha, or even thawb, long white robe, and the headscarf. The UAE traditional Gutra is white and is held in place by an accessory called eagle, which resembles a black cord. The younger Emiratis prefer to wear red and white Gutra and tie it around their head like a turban. The above dress code is never compulsory and many people wear western or other eastern clothing without any problems. But prohibitions on wearing indecent clothing or revealing too much skin are aspects of the UAE to which Dubai's visitors are expected to conform and are encoded in Dubai's criminal law. The UAE has enforced decency regulations in most public places aside from water parks, beaches, clubs and bars. So guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys like watching my channel, then please do hit the like button, comment and share your opinion in the comment section. And yes, subscribe to my channel Sweety Vlogs for more such content. तब तक के लिए stay tuned and मिलते हैं मेरे अगले वीडियो में. Bye bye.